Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
To connect your Huawei Smartwatch to your phone, your very first step is to download the latest Huawei Health app. This essential application acts as the bridge, seamlessly connecting your phone with your new Band 10 2025 smartwatch. Make sure to grab it from your official app store, whether that's the app gallery or another reputable source. Also, double-check that your phone's operating system is up to date, ensuring the best possible compatibility and a smooth initial setup process. Before initiating the pairing process, it's crucial to prepare your devices for a smooth connection. First, make sure both your phone and your Huawei smartwatch are fully charged, or at least have substantial battery life. Next, activate Bluetooth on your phone and, importantly, temporarily disable any active VPN connections, as these can sometimes interfere. Lastly, keep your smartwatch within close proximity, ideally less than 1 foot or 2, from your phone during the entire setup to prevent disconnections. With your devices ready, let's dive into the pairing process within the Huawei Health app. Open the app on your phone and head straight to the Devices tab, typically found at the bottom. From there, select Add Device and locate your specific Huawei Band 10 2025 model from the displayed list. Once you select it, a pairing request will appear on both your phone and your smartwatch screen. Simply confirm the request on both devices, and the connection will be established in moments. Encountering a hiccup during connection? Don't worry, most common issues are easily resolved with a few simple troubleshooting tips. If your devices fail to pair, the first step is always to try restarting both your phone and your Huawei smartwatch. This often clears any temporary glitches. Additionally, consistently ensure that both your Huawei Health app and your smartwatch's firmware are updated to their latest versions. Outdated software can sometimes cause compatibility problems, but a quick update usually fixes them right up. Congratulations, your Huawei smartwatch and phone are now seamlessly connected. This unlocks a wealth of smart features right on your wrist. You can now receive all your phone notifications, manage calls, and access comprehensive health tracking data directly from your Band 10. To ensure continuous data synchronization and uninterrupted functionality, remember to keep the Huawei Health app running in the background on your phone. Enjoy the convenience and insights your newly connected smartwatch provides every single day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.